is Dom from Computer Tricks and Tips, and I'm here to show you how to make an intro in Windows Movie Maker, like as this. Okay, so first what you're going to do is obviously you're going to open your internet, and just here's my YouTube, and to get like the basic like actual intro, you're going to want to go to movietools.info. So www.movietools.info. And hold on. Okay, so once you're here, you'll see this, and then you're just going to want to go to free downloads. And by the way, that's how I made my intro in the beginning of this video by doing this. Okay, so you're gonna see all these different intros. You know, you can just pick whatever one you want. I mostly like the music loops, countdown for some things, and like energy loops. So let's go to energy loops. Okay, so in this category you have all these ones to choose from, and then you can just look at these. So you can just choose one. I already have some downloaded, so you can just choose which one you like. You know, you can preview them and just look at them. Okay, so once you have this down, once you have that downloaded, you're going to want to go to well, first actually you want to get some fonts. Go to Google and type in fonts. Whoops. And you can type free fonts or something, and like fonts.com, you have to pay for them. So I would recommend going to simplythebest.com. And then you have all these categories. You can just search for categories that you like. Just search for fonts. One of the fonts I like actually is the Family Guy font. I think that's really cool. And you know, you've got all these fonts. You've got all these categories to choose from, so you can just find the font that you like, download it. I already have some downloaded, so I'm not gonna do it. And next, you're probably gonna want some intro music. So go to Google and type that in. Here's another Simply the Best movie intro music. Where I got mine. Hold on a second. Okay, so this is where I got mine, acceleratedideas.com. I think this was a pretty good site, since it just, when I try and play this, it kind of, like, downloads it right away, so you can't really preview them, so, you know, you kind of have to download them, but they just go to your desktop, and you can just drag them in. Okay, so once you find a piece of music that you like, you know, you've got to love this, you can exit out of your internet, and you can go to your Windows Movie Maker. And okay, so mine is already made already. So here is the introduction that you downloaded from Movie Tools. You're gonna want to go to import and probably videos to wherever you saved it. I think I saved mine to my desktop. I've got all these videos though. I'm not sure where I saved it. So, you know, just find where you saved it. You know, hold on. Okay, okay, so here it is right here. You know, so you just import that in, and find where you saved it, and then you just want to drag it into the timeline right here. Just drag it in. And then the next thing you're going to do is find your music, and generally you probably saved it on the desktop, so you just want to go to the desktop here. Just going to want to drag it in, and it'll come up here, and then you just want to drag it onto your audio music timeline. And then the next thing you want to do is, since you have your font downloaded, or you can just use one of the Windows Movie Maker's fonts, you go to title overlay. You're going to go to titles and credits, title on the selected clip, and you're gonna type whatever whatever your movie is called. You can change the animation here, spin out, you've got all these to choose from. But I like the zoom in one the best. And then here is where you're gonna find the font that you downloaded. I don't know which one you did. It's alphabetical order, so you just have to find wherever it is. I like Sneakerhead. It's a pretty good font. So you just find your font. You can change the color and everything here. You can make it bold, whatever. And then you can just add the title. It gets added in there. Hold on a second. Okay, so after you're done with that, it'll probably, look with it to whatever you like. This is sort of the idea of how it will come out. It looks pretty good for Windows Movie Maker. I have some other editing programs, but Windows Movie Maker is pretty simple and easy. So here it is. Okay, so that looks pretty nice. And to get your video after that, you just go to import videos. Okay, so all my videos are kind of like here. I've got all these videos. It's kind of a lot of videos. So and then you can just put it right there, and there you go. And then you can just play it. And that is basically how you make a nice intro in Windows Movie Maker. I hope you enjoyed this, and please subscribe and send me a message, if you have any questions. Thanks.